Boom. Alrighty, here we go. One boxer. 2024 iMac. Everybody's teams right here. We had the Bengals, Team Buddies, taking down the Commanders. So Bengals taking down the free team Commanders for this, going to Team Buddies. Everybody got check marks over their name. Good to go. Yeah, I saw that, Sean. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate it, bro. A one box magic. Six cards. I wish we can get all 32 teams on the board, but y'all know what it is getting in this. So good luck to everybody. Let's make it a little better tilt here. Not too thick here. Did we not cut it good enough? First up in there is Myles Garrett on our base. 55 out of 65. Brownies. One of Trong, first up. Second up, we got the D-Bode for the Niners, 65 out of 88. Going to Swarm City. And we got, this one, the Tucker. Justin Tucker, 9 out of 25, going to the Ravens. A $30 team, though. We'll take that. Jersey number match there. 9 out of 25. The Luke. Justin Tucker. Next up, we got a Herbie. Justin, dude, yeah. The same thing there. 69 out of 88 for the Bolts. Going to Texas Trucks, 307. And first auto, old school, for the Bills. This is a team that I see hit a lot. The Bills, 88 out of 99. The Joe Cribbs. Immaculate Ink. Going to the Bills, Marine. Oh, man, I think I spoke this into existence here. I definitely spoke this into existence. Michael Pratt on the eye black auto. That is 8 out of 99. I totally spoke that one into existence there. Michael Pratt. That is going to Marine, too. Wow, back to back. And the last one is for the Patriots. The Patriots, Jalen Polk. 9 out of 99. Last tape finish. Not the best box there, man. Rough box. Rough box. But I totally spoke the that is on card, by the way. Jalen Polk. They're saying he's gonna have a better year this year though. I don't know about that, but